beautiful iridescent. Look at that motor. Look at that motor.
He's judging everything.
Oh, look at that. Supercharged. Firebird. Oh, look at that one sitting low. Look at that paint job. Oh, look at that beautiful paint job.
Isn't that great?
You can see the gold flake in it. You can see the beautiful gold flake. Look at that. Impala. Look at the beautiful paint job.
63 Chevy.
Look at this Magnum.
Oh, man, but look, the door handles are.
Yeah, oh, look. Did you just see it rise up? Look at this Cadillac.
So how do you think a Carly this makes it in?
See the lowrider wheels? There's the switches. Dad. There's the switches.
Oh, wow.
Look at that Mustang. Go, baby. Look at the size of that motor. They don't make them like that anymore. They don't make them like that anymore. Big old 390. Phew! Big old 390. Look at that. Oh, look at where the temperature gauge is. The oil pressure, how are you supposed to see those? Satellite. For sale. For 446 pack. Coyote Duster. That's funny. That's funny. A 442. 4 on the floor, 4 barrel, 2 dual exhaust. Look at that. Old Mercury. Camaro. Too fast for you. Too fast for you. Beautiful blue. Lightning propped up by a Rockstar beer can. A Rockstar can.
How about the T-Bird?
Beautiful T-Bird. Gold air clean. Gold. It's got the Thunderbird engine. Crossfire. Too much plastic. 5 liter. 5.0. Oh, look at this big old thing. Look at that one. shifter.
One quick announcement for those of you that are imbibing in beverages, whatever. Plenty of food vendors out here today.
Hey, look at the big gas pedal.
Eating pleasure. Also, directly behind the DJ booth, the bathrooms are open, and they're in the actual
Beautiful
pool itself.
LS1.
Those are available to the general public today. Thank you.
IROC Z. Phew! What a pretty car. Want a Corvette? It's for sale. 94. Nice. Classic Chevelle. Big inch motor. 454.
Second one of these we've seen in a couple weeks, huh?
I think this might be a 454. Oh wait, it's a Maverick. My bad. Looks like a Chevelle. Looks like a Chevelle from the front. Maverick.
Remember like that one we saw?
Ah, look at this.
Yeah.
It's for sale. 73, 12 grand. Or best offer. Look at that. Look at those seats. 4 on the floor. Beautiful. Look at this. Jaguar. Jaguar. Beautiful.
Isn't that great?
XK140.
Wow. That would be fun to drive with.
Oh yeah, this thing would be fun to drive. Look at those seats.
Look at the seatbelt thing.
I know, they have Jaguar on them.
Yeah.
Look at the door pulls. That's how basic they are.
It's because most people just went in over the top.
Ah, Dukes Hazard style. An old Studebaker.
I've seen this guy before.
Really?
Yeah.
Old Studebaker. 55.
I think we've seen this Mustang before too.
Beautiful. Big old Cobra Jet motor. Supra. Twin cam, turbo. Sweet.
Journal.
Mach 1.
This is what Uncle Bill used to have.
With the car rotating on the top?
Exactly the same car he had, except his was silver.
Ooh, really? Sweet.